Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this. So let's start. Select a plane as per your requirement. In my case I am selecting the front plane and I am in the part mode just in case if anybody was wondering. So draw the shape like this and escape. Now let's give them dimensions as per your requirements. 90, 120, okay, draw a center line. I forgot the line, its length, that is 90 as well. Exit the sketch mode, click on revolve workspace, click on no. Notice that this sketch looks a little bit weird, so I will show you a cool trick to handle it out. So right click, uh, so click on it and click on edit sketch. Select this by pressing Ctrl. Click on offset command. Click on cap ends. Click on lines. Notice lines are there. Click OK. Now suppose I want to make a horizontal line. What I will do? I will draw a line like this. Select this line, make it horizontal. Now suppose I want to extend it. So how can I extend? So I will go to trim, click on extend entities, select this line and just trim the necessary lines. Now if I try to do circle extrude, revolve pause base, sorry. Select it counter, select this. Revolve about this line. Click OK. So we have made up to this point. Now what I will do, I will select the front plane again, click on sketch. Draw a line as I am showing. Press escape. Exit the sketch mode. Select the line. Click on curve. Click on project curve. Select the surface. Click OK. Right click. Click on hide. Not suppress hide. Select this curve and click on sort pose space. Click on circular profile. Select this. Enter the value of 3. Click OK. Select the front plane. Click on sketch. Draw a center line here. Escape. Go to the features. Exit the sketch mode. Click on circular pattern. Select this axis as a reference axis. Select features to be pattern. Select this feature. Increase the number of instances as per your requirement. In my case 20 is fine. Click OK. OK, only merging. Uncheck this one and click on the bodies. Now select this body. Click OK. Now I want to make one more. So what I will do? Mirror. About what? About about the right plane. What I want to mirror? Click on bodies to mirror. Select this. Press Ctrl A. I recommend. Wait a minute. Features to pattern. I will select this feature. Can I know? Bodies to mirror. So I guess I have to select like this. So select these one by one. For some reason it is not selecting, I don't know. Click OK. So we got the shape. Now what I will do, I will select the front, select the top plane again. Click on sketch and draw a circle here and extrude, reverse direction, 5 mm, uh, offset, reverse direction. Click OK. Will take time. Now let's do something for this. So what I will do, I will select the front plane, click on sketch, draw a simple circle here. It doesn't need to be quite accurate, okay? Just it's a simple rough geometry. You don't need to be make highly accurate here. It's not a part model, just a exercise. So what I will do, uh, go to the features, revolve, click OK. Now let's give some material to make it look good. Uh, what kind of wood? Click organic polished. Yeah, so this is how it look like. So in this way you can make this model. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching and have a great day.